Let's learn the sound of letter D. The sound of letter D. 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 Dinosaur. D. Duck. D. Dolphin. D. Dragon. D. Deer. D. Door. D. Donkey. D. Drum. D. Dog. D. Dress. Follow us for more fun learning.